These phones are like mini tanks, ready to take on whatever life hurls their way. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus and S23 have Gorilla Glass Victus too, so they're like tough superheroes with scratch-proof and crack-proof armor. But wait, there's more. These frames are like Marvel armor, ready to take on any drop with their tough armor aluminum. Your device is safe and sound in these sturdy frames. Rest easy, my friend. Brace yourself for some serious dazzlement. Both phones have fancy AMOLED 2X screens, but the S23 Plus is like an IMAX for your eyes with its huge 6.6-inch display. But hey, the S23 ain't no lazybones with its big old 6.1-inch screen. And guess what? Both refresh at 120 Hz, so smooth scrolling for all. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus and S23 have Android 13 and a super strong Qualcomm SM8550AC Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. With their octa-core CPU and Adreno 740 GPU, they're ready to crush any challenge you toss at them. The memory game, not the one with your lost keys. Both phones have 8 GB RAM, but the S23 Plus goes wild with choices for 256 GB or 512 GB storage. The S23 comes in 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB flavors. No memory card slot, but who cares? You've got enough storage, baby. Cheese, 'cause the camera game is on fleek. These phones have a fancy 50-megapixel lens, a snazzy 10-megapixel lens, and a cool 12-megapixel lens. Time to unleash my inner sharpshooter. Oh, and guess what? They shoot 8K videos. It's like having a Hollywood studio, but tiny. Want to take some epic selfies? Both phones have a 12-megapixel front camera, so you can look amazing from every angle. And guess what? They can totally handle dual video calls at once. So, you can chat and slay the fabulousness simultaneously. Crank it up, baby. These phones have fancy speakers and AKG-tuned audio. Rock on. Get ready to have your mind blown by the super fancy sound quality. No 3.5mm jack, time to go wireless. Get all the tech goodies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. Stay connected and never get lost. NFC? Oh yeah, they nailed it. USB Type-C 3.2, charging and data transfer at warp speed. Both have fancy fingerprint sensors hidden under the screen, using ultrasonic tech that's straight out of a spy flick. And guess what? These bad boys come with all the fancy sensors you could ever dream of: accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and yup, you guessed it, even a barometer. Anyone else getting squished by the air? Let the power surge begin. The S23 Plus has a super strong 4,700 mAh battery that can last a mind-blowing 111 hours. But wait, the S23 is no lazybones either. It's got a whopping 3,900 mAh battery and can last a mind-boggling 101 hours. Let's chat about those never-ending fights. Now, onto the fun stuff, colors and moolah. The S23 Plus and S23 are like a rainbow of coolness: phantom black, cream, green, lavender, graphite, and lime. Choose your warrior's color. The S23 Plus is like, hey, I'm $999.99 for 256 GB and 8 GB RAM. Meanwhile, the S23 is like, I'm a cool $859.99 for the same stuff. Tada, peeps! The Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus and S23, two epic phones duking it out for the top spot. Pick a phone, buckle up, and get ready for a wild ride. Smash that like button if you dug the duel, and remember to subscribe to DigiDuelers for more shocking tech fights. May your phones be fast, your batteries be full, and your selfies be flawless. Keep being cool.